Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your environment has transformers and torch installed, and you have the Roberta checkpoint you want to use. Next, load the tokenizer so text becomes token IDs. This is crucial because models expect numeric tensors, not raw strings. Once done, convert your dataset into input IDs, attention mask, and labels, and split into train and validation sets. This avoids leakage. Finally, create data loader objects so batches are fed efficiently to the model during training. Now you load Roberta for sequence classification, or another head, and move it to the right device. This aligns model weights with your hardware. Set Atom W optimizer and a learning rate scheduler and choose an appropriate loss. This shapes convergence behavior. During training, run forward, compute loss, backpropagate, and step the optimizer. Use gradient accumulation for large batches. Make sure to evaluate on validation data regularly, log metrics, and save the best checkpoint to avoid losing progress. Finish by loading your best checkpoint and running evaluation on a separate test set so you measure real performance. Calculate accuracy, F1, or other task-specific metrics to understand behavior. For deployment, convert the model to an optimized format like Torch script or ONCS and serve with batching and warm-up to reduce cold start latency. If things go wrong, check tokenization mismatches first. That single inconsistency between training and inference often explains unexpected failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.